So today I have the unboxing of my March Brimbles box. This is a huge box and I have the personal planner one because I use more personal size things than A5. So yeah, I thought I'd just share with you what I got this month. So it comes in like a massive pizza box, which I've just had to flip around so it fits on my desk. But anyway, so this is how it comes laid out. There's a little bag here, so I'll just move this across and we'll come back to this. So the first thing I see is the postcard, and this is so cute. It's bunny themed and spring themed and Easter themed this month. You can read that if you like. But that's very cute. I love this little one. So this, you can get the stickers in this, which they do sell separately. Then there's these, which are okay, this is from Echo Park Paper Co, which is Easter themed papers, double-sided, blank on this side, oh sorry, spotty polka dot on this side, and then you have journaling cards this side. And they're all different little pictures on there, very cute. Then we have this one from the same people. Nice little paper. It's like scrapbooking paper, journaling cards kind of thing. Then we have this one. Little carrots on the other side, that one's nice. This one's called Egg Hunt. This one's called Field of Cottontails. And then lastly there's this one. And this one is called Easter Played. Now for the little package itself. It's got the Mrs Brimbles logo sticker there. There we go. I'm going to do a lucky dip. Okay, the first thing we've got here is some correction tape in a little bunny. One side, well, you got 1, 2. What does that mean? I can't read it. It looks like a rubber, this side. But there's your correction tape that side. Cute. We then have, oh, something from Cloudy Cow. Enjoy new planner charm. Planner charm from Cloudy Cow. Dream come true. Oh, I've always wanted to buy something from Daisy and I just haven't ever found something that I quite like. It's not quite perfect. But oh my god. So the planner charm is this one, and it's got a little bunny. So cute. So there's the planner charm. Next we have a washi tape with eggs on. I don't know where this is from, possibly Mrs Brimbles herself, but she doesn't have a sticker on it, so I'm not sure where that one's from. Then we have another postcard. We then have bonus downloads for journal project life cards and printable inserts. We got some links there. We then have some stickers from Crafting Chaos. That's some stickers from Crafting Chaos. I think I might have saw this as a teaser or something. Then the stickers, which go with the postcard, or you know, like the letter. So they're the stickers, which are really nice quality. Then we have a big, I think this is a notepad, big notepad. Really nice big one, very thick and heavy. Then lastly, we have a smaller bag. I love these little bags she's using, they're really nice. And in this one, we have the planner dashboard, which is punched. And that's that. So that was everything I got in my March Brimbles box, and I can't wait to dive in. This looks really interesting, and I love this tape and absolutely love this charm. I can't wait to put everything, stickers, everything. So excited. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.